Have you ever thought rain भी dangerous हो सकती है? Yes, sometimes rain becomes harmful and that is called acid rain. Let's understand what is acid rain. So acid rain is a type of rain that contains acids like sulfuric acid and nitric acid. See, normal rain safe होती है, लेकिन जब air pollution ज़्यादा हो जाता है तब ये rain acidic बन जाती है. So let's understand how acid rain forms step by step. Now factories, vehicles और industries से harmful gases निकलती हैं like sulfur dioxide that is SO2 and nitrogen oxide that is NOx. Here X means a group of highly reactive gases that contain nitrogen and oxygen in varying amount. अब ये gases ऊपर atmosphere में चली जाती हैं हवा के साथ. अब वहाँ ये gases water droplets के साथ contact में आती हैं और reaction करके acid बना देती हैं. फिर जब रेन होती है ये एसिड पानी के साथ नीचे गिरते हैं और इसे कहते हैं एसिड रेन. So the main cause of acid rain is air pollution. Now let's talk about harmful effects of acid rain. First on humans. So acid rain can affect human health, but how? It can harm our respiratory system, nervous system and digestion. And it can also cause breathing problems and irritation in eyes and skin. Moving on to the second effect, that is on soil. So here acid rain reduces the fertility of soil. How? It kills useful bacteria जो plant के लिए important होते हैं. Next, effect on plants and forest. Now acid rain damages plants and trees, that is leaves खराब हो जाते हैं and उनकी growth रुक जाती है. Next one is effect on water bodies. Acid rain makes rivers and lakes acidic. इससे fish and और बाकी aquatic life को danger होता है. Moving on to the next one, that is effect on buildings. Now acid rain damages buildings and monuments, especially made from marbles and limestone जैसे ताज महल. So in this video till now we have understood that acid rain is caused by air pollution and it harms humans, plants, waters and buildings. So this was acid rain, a serious environmental problem.